Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do cash on delivery on Shopee. First, open the Shopee app on your phone and log into your account. Then browse through the products and select the one you want to buy. Make sure the seller offers cash on delivery or COD. You can see this on the product page under the payment options. Some sellers only allow COD in certain locations, so check if your area is eligible. Next, tap Buy Now or Add to Chart. At checkout, select cash on delivery as your payment method. Pay attention to any minimum purchase requirement for COD, as some sellers set a limit for this option. You can also combine COD with vouchers or Shopee coins if Shopee allows it. After that, confirm your shipping address carefully. Make sure your contact number is correct and reachable because the delivery rider may call to confirm your location. You can also add delivery instructions such as leave at the gate or call before arriving to ensure smooth delivery. Then, tap Place Order to complete the purchase. You will receive an order confirmation showing the estimated delivery date and tracking number. You can track your order in the Orders section of the app to see updates in real time. When your order arrives, prepare the exact cash amount if possible. This makes it easier for the rider and prevent delays. Some areas may allow contactless COD using Shopee Pay or other supported methods, which is safer and more convenient. Finally, after receiving the item, mark the order as received in the Shopee app. You can also leave a review for the seller, rate the product, and share feedback. Positive reviews help sellers improve and also guide future buyers. If there are any issues, Shopee's customer service is available to help with returns or refund. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.